Attention all personnel. The automated site security system has declared a code red full facility lockdown at Site 19. Multiple Keter and Euclid class anomalies have breached primary containment vectors. The following protocols are now in immediate effect. All security personnel, report to designated armories for heavy tactical deployment. Authorized use of lethal force is active against compromised personnel and Class D entities. Research and administrative staff, enter the nearest secure bulkhead chamber or emergency bunker immediately. Seal the pressure doors. Do not attempt to reach surface extraction points. Cognitohazard alert, a level 4 visual info hazard has bypassed internal data networks. Blindfolds are available in your emergency containment kits. If you perceive any patterns matching Section 12B on facility monitors, destroy the screen immediately and administer Class A amnestics if available. Do not trust any communication attempting to override this broadcast unless verified by O5-level cryptographic signatures. The on-site Alpha Warhead countdown sequence has been provisionally initiated by the site director. Detonation will occur in T-15 minutes if containment is not re-established. Secure. Contain. Protect. This loop will repeat until communication is lost or manual override is entered.